Hi, I'm Shannon Martin, Category Manager with Lowe Boats, and today I would like to go over some of the features for the refreshed Stinger 175C for model year 18. First off, I would like to show you guys the new refreshed console that was in this boat. As you can see, we have new LED lights on the side of the console. We have aluminum panels in the face of the console with toggle switches and our Stinger name. And we have a new sleek design. As you can see in this boat, there is not any carpet. We have a very popular option, gray poly interior with black splatter. Without any carpet, this gray poly interior is very easy to clean and maintain. Next, I want to show you guys the standard cleat and the receiver track. As you can see, the cleat is in the receiver track of the Stinger 175C. You can adjust this anywhere inside the gunnel. When you are in the desired location, all you have to do is tighten it with a basic Phillips screwdriver and you're good to go. Another standard feature in this boat are the two 23-gallon live wells. You have one in the rear deck and one in the front deck. I would like to also point out the 3-across seating in the bow. Perfect for crappie fishing or taking your grandchild out. So you guys might be wondering what this yellow piece of plastic is in this front deck. This boat has a 90-inch beam. And so what this is comparing our front deck to a Tracker Pro Team 175 TXW. We have almost 40 square feet in our front deck. They have only 31.5 square feet. So what we're trying to demonstrate is the bonus deck space that you get with the Stinger 175C. Not only do you get this bonus deck space in the front deck, but you get 2 live wells versus their 1. You have a completely wood-free boat. They have plywood decking. And lastly, we have 26 customer satisfaction awards. They only have 6. This is Shannon Martin, and at Lowe Boats, this is your passion and our heritage.